Welcome. In front of me I have the Apple Watch Series 7. Now this will be the Aluminium chassis right here. Red color, basically the sports one. So anyway, I'm gonna go through an unboxing along with, well, I would say quick overview, but honestly I don't actually have a iPhone right here to pair it to, so that will be just like a list of specifications, not about it. So anyway, let's get straight to it, to unboxing of it. And right off the bat I will mention I kind of like the packaging right here with the red accent being kind of like layer under. Kind of can't see it, show it on the camera, but you can see it basically like there's a paper overlay and it's cut out in it, and then you have below that the actual like red to make this kind of look really nice. So anyway, let's pop this open. Not the greatest fan of their like how their packaging is made. It's kind of hard to open it up without actually tearing it up. There we go. Okay, voila. Okay, so once you unfold it, let me actually make space for this so you can see it. So once you unfold the package, you are basically presented with this kind of thing right over here. So it looks really nice. Now obviously we have the package divided in two parts. I believe in previous ones it was the exact same kind of way. So in one we have the strap, the bottom one, and here we have just the watch along with the accessories like charging cables and stuff like that. So anyway, let's just pop it open. This neat pull tabs. Wait, did I open it? There's like some glue on it now. I don't think that opened the way I intended it, so I'm just gonna pull that off as well. There we go. Come on, get off my finger. There we go. So there's one, and here's another one. Why does it keep these sticky little thing? Get it off. Ah, there we go. So anyway, let's just pop this open. And get rid of the packaging from underneath. So in here we get the watch itself and this kind of like neat packaging right here. I have to say I do like this. They do it in basically every like Apple Watch. So this one is kind of tight. Come on. There we go. So there is the watch. And then, like I mentioned before, there is the charger for it. So you just kind of like slap it on it, and there we go. So I'm just gonna place that here and get rid of this part, and now just get to the strap itself. There's some paper underneath, I don't really care for that. And in here we got the two different lengths of straps. Damn, I kind of really like this. The inclusion of two lengths and just like one of these. It's damn amazing. The reason why I'm kind of like saying that I really like this, I do have a, not Apple Watch, but Oppo watch, which is kind of like a copy of Apple, right? I mean, the similarities are kind of close. And for me, I didn't get a secondary strap. It was just one, and either it fits you or tough luck. So anyway, I'm gonna take out one of these. There we go. Get rid of this. And I'm gonna get the small one because, let's be honest, my hands or arms aren't necessarily the biggest ones. So there we go. Lay that here. Oops. Let's see if I can actually power it on. Now anyway, while I'm trying to turn it on, there we go, and putting on the straps, I'll mention that the watch itself has a 1.9 inch screen right here. It's a 484 pixels by 396. It's going to be a Retina LTPO OLED. I think the LTPO stands just for like water repellent slash curved edges display, because they got to be original. And it peaks out at 100 nits of brightness. And what else is there to say? It has 326 pixels per inch, along with a watch OS 8.0. And I don't think there's like any other things that I can say. I mean, obviously it's an improvement over the previous one. Apparently it has a built-in storage of 32 gigs. And it requires a like iPhone to actually pair up, so even if I wanted to, I wouldn't be able to pair to anything in here that runs Android. So as an example, bam, here can't connect to this, can't connect to this, so yeah, a little bit bummed out on it. So yeah, but overall Apple Watches are one of the better ones, so obviously you know what you're getting into. I'm kind of gonna do a test fit right here just to see how it fits. Let me just kind of move this over. I do like to keep it underneath, just because I have really skinny wrists, so I do prefer to see the watch kind of like this. And that's why I keep it, and it does fit really well. It doesn't seem too bulky. Obviously, for instance, this that I have right here, my main watch, it's a little bit bigger. But yeah, anyway, so this is the new Apple Watch Series 7, aluminum chassis, red color. And yeah, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.